Welcome to the SDA Getting Started with Plugins video. Today we're going to look at installing a plugin and testing it within SDA. Plugins are a very important part of SDA and how we can expand our use and reach within automation using SDA. So to see the plugins that are available, simply go to Automation Plugins under Administration, and here we can see that there are quite a few plugins already available that come out of the box. You may also notice, however, that there is an additional plugin called Hello World. If you want to know how you can go about creating your own Hello World plugin, then please refer to the guide that's referred to at the end of this video. So first of all, we need to download the plugin that we want to test. The plugin in this case is the 7-zip plugin, which comes from the support website. We simply download that plugin, and this appears in our download folder as a zip file. We also need to be aware that if we're going to use a plugin, then we need to also install the associated application software. In this case, this is 7-zip, and we need to ensure that the 7-zip software itself is installed on the agent that you're going to run the plugin on, not the server, but the agent. So now let's load this new 7-zip plugin that we're going to test. We click on Browse, go to the Downloads directory, select the 7-zip plugin, submit it, and here we can see the 7-zip plugin has now appeared in our list of available plugins. Now we can click on Management, and we can create a brand new generic process which will allow us to test this plugin. So I'm going to create a process called zip test. Just a reminder that generic processes are great for testing and prototyping new functionality. So now I click on Design, and here we can see that the 7-zip plugin has in fact appeared. So in here we can see there's a single step called Extract Archive. So I'm now going to left click on that step, hold down the left mouse button, drag it across within our process flow. We want to specify that we're extracting zip files only, and we want to specify a directory that we're going to extract out to. In this case, C:\temp. Let's now save that process. I now left click on Start, drag this across to link the process step, and again I left click on the process step and drag across to complete the link. I now save the process. One further step I need to do is to ensure that I'm now going to extract my zip file from the correct location. So I need to specify a default working directory. My default working directory in this case is my downloads directory. So I've copied and pasted that in to my keyboard buffer to save me typing. And now I can just simply paste this in and save. We're now ready to submit this process to test the plugin. Here we can see the Extract Archive step is being run from the 7-zip plugin. Status is currently running, and it has been successful. Let's have a quick look at the output log, and we can see here the plugin has in fact found an archive to extract from, the 7-zip archive, and we're extracting out to C:\temp, and so all these files have now been created in the C:\temp directory. If we take a quick look in Explorer, go to C:\temp, we can see the files have been extracted. Returning to SDA, if I go to the process, I can see here the process call that was made.